dog.
Make them go.
Yeah, I know, right?
Get out of my way.
There you go. Heads up.
My fault. Oh my God.
Smack him.
I'm gonna kill this pony.
Aren't you glad you have Howdy now? The dog's coming.
We're gonna get over this jump.
What jump? What jump are you talking about? Wrong jump, Amanda.
Hold on, I'm getting over this.
Okay, I'm still gonna record it just so people know that you actually got over it in the end.
I'm a retard.
That's right. There you go.
Go, go, go.
Oh, I zoomed in at the wrong time. But there you go.
Finish it, finish it.
I refused on my snap. And the dog chasing him.
You refused that.
That dog should do horse and hound. He'd be amazing.